Water is the single most important resource in our world. Without it, there will be no life on this planet. But for centuries, humankind has been polluting the world's water. What damage has been done? How has the composition of our water been changed? What do we need to do for the future? These are just some of the questions that prompted the global experiment, Water, a Chemical Solution. The global experiment was developed by IUPAC and UNESCO for the International Year of Chemistry 2011 to entice students all around the world to learn about the huge impact that chemistry has on water, and in turn, the vital roles that water plays, not just in the environment, but in society as well. Among all the contributions chemists have made for humankind, providing water is among the most valuable. For the experiment to be truly global, it was vital that the tests involved were inexpensive and simple to understand and carry out. And so we decided on 4 activities that covered measuring water quality and the processes of water purification.
Durant uns dies hem estat participant en el Global Experiment, 4 experiments que s'han fet arreu del món sobre l'aigua.
En el primer experiment vam calcular el pH del riu d'Aró, que és el riu que passa per la Bisbal d'Empordà.
En el segon experiment vam calcular la densitat i la salinitat d'una mostra d'aigua de mar recollida a l'Estartit. Vam deixar cristal·litzar l'aigua de mar.
En el tercer experiment vam recollir una mostra d'aigua bruta i estancada, que vam filtrar i desinfectar.
En el quart i últim experiment vam construir un destil·lador solar a petita escala. L'endemà vam comprovar quina aigua destil·lada havíem recollit. Hem compartit les nostres mesures amb els més de 2.600 centres escolars i més de 64.000 estudiants de tot el món.